problem? What's the problem?
The problem is that the workers of Imo State.
Are you in Imo State?
Have not been paid for 12 months now. Have not been paid. And he is saying that over the air that he is not owing anybody. That whosoever that is being paid should come to government house.
And what is the name of the governor?
The name of the governor is Hope.
I can see everywhere is crowded. Is this the number of people who are not being paid?
Yes, more than ever. Not all the numbers. Some people have come yesterday.
That's the name.
So you people have not been paid for the past 1 year.
Yes.
But there are rumors that you people have been paid and most of you are ghost workers. How come the ghost worker came where he became a governor?
This is what he said to defend himself.
The governor will answer this question.
Yes.
So I want the Nigerians to see that he has been claiming that he has paid why he has not paid.
Yes.
So we are aware that this number of people are assumed ghost workers only when he became a governor.
Yes.
When he was not a governor, you people were not ghost workers. And who is putting you now? The governor is putting himself. When did you get this job, madam?
Since 2006. Some get to 1990. I started in 2007.
I started this work 1998.
And you were not ghost workers then?
Yes. 2007.
Your name?
Kenneth Ohanugo. 2007.
Your name? Your name?
From Abomisa.
No, don't mention your local government.
March.
Your name? Your name? Your name?
Success. March. Now, I've not gotten a job. I have a family of 9. Can you imagine how great the children of them are? They ask me whether I am one or not.
So you people have been paid. The governor is deceiving Nigerians and he has paid you people. And any this crowd ghost workers. Oh, Nigeria. That is the action of the Supreme Court. Nigeria's judiciary has messed the whole thing up.
Let him tell us the criteria he used in placing us as. We are not those. We are not those. Pay us our salary. 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 11 good months. I have not been paid.
How many months?
11 good months.
My own is 11. 11 good months. 11 good months. No salary.
We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Hope pay us a salary. We are not those. Pay us our salaries. 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 We are not those.
You can see everywhere is being barricaded and blocked by the so acclaimed ghost worker. Why they are not ghost worker? Imo is very in a serious disarray. There is confusion in Imo State.
We are not those.